I'm done waiting, okay? I'm so done. Like, amen. This is low-key painful though. What? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, okay, I'm going to do something completely new. I'm going to lay my edges for the first time ever, okay? No, I did this. I tried to do this in the past. And it just didn't work out, okay? I don't have edge control in my natural hair product stash because I don't lay my edges. Like I say in every video of mine, I don't have baby hairs. Where are my baby hairs? Where are they? I don't have them. Like, all my baby hairs are grown. Like, as you can see, they are long, and you know, I don't know. I just don't, I can't. I don't lay my edges, and I never did. I used edge control in the past just to, I don't know, tame the flyaways on my hair when I had a sleek bun or something like that, but nothing special to lay my edges or something like that. So no. I've been following a YouTuber for a while, and she has amazing curly hair. I really like how she does her hair. I love her results whenever she does a wash and go. The YouTuber is Juliana Palencia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I love her videos. Yeah, she lays her edges on a special way. She has a tutorial on how she lays her edges, and in that video she says like, I don't create fake baby hairs or whatever. She's just applying products to her edges to make them lay like smooth and sleek so it looks nice. So that's the only thing she does. She doesn't do all of this, but she does do something here with her edges, like this part of her hair. So I'm gonna try to do that because I don't have baby hairs and I'm not creating baby hairs. Hell no. I don't like that look on me. I don't know. On me it looks... yeah, so I need some assistance. I need to follow her tutorial carefully, so I'm just going to play the tutorial so you guys can watch with me, okay?
I used to do it with just a toothbrush, but that does not give me the optimal best results. So I now use a rat tail comb because this gives me great shape to work. And also I'm going to be using my massive jar of Eco Styler gel. So I'm just going to apply my gel to my edges.
Oh, okay. But that's a lot of gel
and then
though.
Next, I'm going to make 3 swoops on both sides.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so this is my hair. Ooh, okay, definition. I pre-pulled my hair this morning and it's been drying like this, so. Okay, anyways, yeah. I don't know what to do. Okay, so, and she applies a lot of gel, like a lot, to her edges. A lot of gel. Ah, this is cold. Ooh, this is so cold. Oh my god. This has been sitting in a cold ass room. Oh my god, this is so cold. This is like torture.
For the first one, I usually like to start at the top and work my way down. Here's the first swoop. I'm just gonna go down like this and then go straight back.
Down and straight back. Okay, wait a minute. Let me try this again. So down. Okay. And maybe hold this and then go straight. What?
And then the same for the next row. Down.
My god, I have baby hairs. But my skin is starting to get red because I have really sensitive skin, and I don't know. If I would do this on a daily basis, nah. Down and straight back. Oh my god, it's working! Like, I'm shook. I feel like a completely different person right now. Like, this is a new me. New me, yes. I'm so excited. She does 3 swoops, she says. Listen, is this my hair or is this her hair? I don't know. What? I never thought this was possible. I never thought about this. I'm like, I don't lay my edges. But now I'm like, low-key, I see you, boo. Okay, I see you with them ledges 8. Oh, ledges 8. Edges late. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this again, but even better. This is new. Guys, I'm shook. And smooth. This is a new world for me. Listen, a whole new world for me. I'm telling you, like, I was not about the laying the edges life, but now that I'm seeing this, girl, your girl is shook. This side is done. Now the other side. What do you prefer, to be honest? Let me know in the comment section. What do you prefer? No, on a real note, like for real, I'm being serious. Do you prefer your hair to be like this side, like free, like no products, like just me and my hair just being all carefree? Or do you like your hair to be like this? Sleek down like this? This side? Or this side? I don't know what I prefer. I've been seeing this for my whole life now. So I really like this side, okay? But this is like something new, like something to play with. Let's do the other side real quick. Like here, my makeup is kind of messed up right now. So I don't know, I don't like that. This is so difficult. I'm right-handed, so this is difficult. Nah, this is not the same. No, this is not working. This is not working. The other side is not working. I don't know what I'm doing. This is low-key painful though. Like, I feel like I'm like cutting my hair like this, so I don't know. See my life. This and this. Yeah, this is much better. So you don't need to take a lot of hair. Amen. I see you. Okay, honey. Yes, sir. The only thing that I don't like is the mess it creates, okay? Like, I have a lot of stuff going on right now in my head, and I don't like that. But it looks good though. Okay, so I'm gonna take my satin scarf real quick. So I'm gonna just let that sit for about, I don't know, 15 minutes, because I got things to do, places to go. And if it's not dry by then, I'll just use a blow dryer straight, like, I don't care. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in a second. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes later. I'm done waiting. Okay, I'm so done. Like, the waiting game is not for me. This is not dry at all. So it's still looking good though. Great. But I have my hair dryer right here. I'm still shook. What the heck? Like, what? Anyways, okay. This is a good ass hair dryer, but expensive AF. Still a little bit wet right here, but it's okay because this was just a test and I passed the test, okay? You know, I was all about it. You know, I ain't laying my baby hairs because I got adult hairs, okay? Which is true, I don't have baby hairs, but this is indeed like Juliana, sorry if I messed up your name, girl, said in her video, it's not about creating hairs that are not there. It's about like smoothing the edge, okay, the edge of your hair. But you know, I'm gonna experiment with this a little bit more because it has potential to be something cute, okay? Oh my god, you know what I'm thinking right now? I cannot wait to try this out with the Cream of Nature Flexible Styling Snot. I know that will hold these curls, okay? Yeah, it's a look. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video, okay? I enjoyed doing this. This was really fun. Okay, I'm happy with the results, so yeah, I didn't waste my time. Anyways, thank you, and I will see you in my next video, which is in 2 days or something like that. I post like every 2 days or every 3 days a video, so you might as well subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. So I will see you in my next one. Bye!